One of the things that we really want to practice this year is problem solving. Problem solving in math is when they start throwing words into your math. So we're going to start with this word problem up here. And the first thing I want you to notice is this word. It says Dinah, I don't know. I'm not going to worry about how to say her name. I'm just going to call her Dee. Dee's family went to a zoo on their vacation. Is there anything math-like in there? Not really. What that does, with that sentence, I'm going to start to visualize. I'm just going to picture, okay, there's a family, they're going to the zoo. So I've got that in my head. Maybe they're driving, maybe they're not. But there's a family and they're headed towards the zoo. Next sentence. They learned that a road runner is 1 foot tall. Anything math-like in there? One of the things that I noticed is, first of all, they were talking about a road runner. And if I remember my cartoons right, I think that's a bird, but I'm not sure. And 1 foot tall. So I like to collect my information. I get confused so easily with these things, so I'm just going to go ahead. The road runner is 1 foot tall. Now, I don't know if you know this, but FT is an abbreviation for foot. Anything else from that sentence? All right, let's move on to the next one. An African elephant is 12 feet tall. Okay, see any math words in there? We've got an elephant, and now we've got 12 feet tall. So I'm picturing this. We've got Dee's family headed to the zoo. There's a road runner, there's an elephant, and we've got how tall both of these different types of animals are. Anything else math-like? Okay, now, well, here's a question. How much taller is an African elephant than a road runner? There are some magic math words in there. How much taller? When they're asking how much, that makes me think. And when they're comparing two things, whenever I'm trying to figure out the difference between two things, the difference means I'm going to subtract. What's the difference between an African elephant's height and a road runner's height? I'm comparing them, so I'm going to subtract. So, am I going to go 1 minus 12? No, I'm going to go 12 minus 1. In 3rd grade, we put the bigger number on top. In life, you can have the smaller number on top, but we won't do that to you in 3rd grade. So, 12 minus 1. Where do we start when we subtract? In the 1 spot. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus nothing is. So now my answer is 11. 11 what? 11 pickles? No, look, they're both measured in feet. So this is measured in feet. How much taller is an African elephant than a road runner? 11 feet taller. We're going to do some more problem solving where we visualize, we collect our information, and then we figure out what we're going to do with it. All right?